So guys, to create the GitHub repo, so first of all, open up your GitHub repository. And here you can click on new repository and just try to create one repository. I'll name it as end-to-end chicken disease classification using fecal image. Okay. Fecal image. Because here we are using chicken fecal image, right? Fecal image to classify the disease. Now we'll be keeping this as a public repo. I'll add the README file. I'll also add .ktignore. That's a Python. I'll be using Python programming, and you can take any kinds of license. I'll be taking MIT. Yeah. So now let's create the repository. So once you create it, just try to click on the code, copy the link address. Now try to open up your local folder and open up your git bash here. And just write the command git clone, paste the link, so it will automatically clone the repo here. Then after that, I will go inside that cd end-to-end chicken disease. Now I'm inside this folder. Now inside that, I'm going to open up my Visual Code Studio. So let me open. So now the first thing, guys, I think remember we have to create the project template. Okay. And to create the project template, I will be using my previous project example. There, whatever template file I created, I'll be using the similar template. Only I'll be changing the name. Okay, that's it. So let's create the project template.